In front of me is Motorola Moto G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Bluetooth. Then tap on this switcher at the top if it's not already on, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!